Imagine creating something truly groundbreaking, a piece of art, a revolutionary software, or a vital research paper. Now, imagine wanting that creation to be used, adapted, and built upon by anyone, anywhere, without permission or restriction. How do you make sure your work serves the broadest possible community? To formally dedicate a work to the public domain, the most direct and universally recognized method is to use an explicit public domain dedication statement. This statement clearly and unambiguously relinquishes all of your copyright interests, inviting the world to freely use your creation without restriction. Copyright protection automatically attaches to original works of authorship the moment they are created. This means that if you want to bypass the decades-long period until copyright naturally expires, you must take an affirmative, legally recognized step to surrender those rights. Such a dedication ensures that your work is available for free use and adaptation by everyone, fostering innovation and collaboration. The process begins with a clear and unequivocal intention to dedicate your work. This is not something to be done lightly, as the dedication is generally irrevocable. The gold standard for achieving this formal dedication is often found in tools like the Creative Commons Zero or CC0 public domain dedication. It is a legal instrument that allows creators to waive all their copyright and related rights in their works. To use CC0, you simply apply the dedication to your work. This typically means including a clear statement or notice directly alongside the work itself, whether it is in a document, on a website, or embedded in code. For example, you would state, "This work is dedicated to the public domain using CC0." This explicit statement leaves no room for doubt about your intention to surrender your copyright rights. While CC0 is widely accepted, it is important to remember that some jurisdictions may have specific legal nuances regarding public domain dedication. Always ensure that the dedication is clear and prominent. For certain works, like software, adding a public domain license statement to the source code files themselves ensures that anyone accessing the code is immediately aware of its status. It is about making your intention undeniable and accessible. What is truly powerful about formal public domain dedication, particularly through instruments like CC0, is its irrevocability. Once you dedicate a work, you cannot later retract it and reassert copyright. This commitment provides absolute certainty to users, enabling vast projects in open source development, scientific data sharing, and cultural heritage preservation. It acts as a clear, legally sound, affirmative waiver of your exclusive rights. Dedicating your work to the public domain is a generous and impactful decision, transforming your creation into a shared resource for global benefit. By clearly and formally relinquishing your copyright, you empower a world of creators, researchers, and innovators to freely build upon your foundation, ensuring your legacy contributes to the common good for generations to come. It is a simple yet profound way to foster universal access and collective progress.